In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add required fields in Airtable forms, so you can make sure no important data gets missed by your respondents. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you aren't already signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in your workspace, you'll need to open the base that contains the form you want to edit. Remember, every Airtable form is tied to a specific base, so make sure you've selected the right one from your dashboard. Now that you're inside the base, look at the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs along the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on the one labeled Forms. This will show you all the forms you've created within this particular base. If you have more than one form, take a moment to locate the exact form you want to update. Just scroll through or click on the form name to select it. Once your form is open and visible on the screen, you'll see a list of all the fields that are currently included. Decide which field you want to make required. Maybe it's the email address field, a critical date, or a project name that absolutely must be filled out. Click directly on that field to select it. When you do, a sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of the screen, showing you all the settings for that particular field. Scroll down the sidebar until you see an option labeled Required. It's usually a simple toggle switch. Go ahead and click that toggle to turn it on. Once it's switched to the on position, Airtable will automatically mark that field as mandatory in your form. Any respondent who tries to submit the form without filling in that field will see a friendly reminder to complete it before they can move forward. You can repeat this process for as many fields as you like, simply by clicking on each field and toggling the required option on. And that's it. You've now successfully added required fields to your Airtable form, ensuring your data collection stays accurate and complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.